Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Did you know stressed spelled backwards is desserts? Learn something new every day, right? I saw it at a cafe and I was like, I'm definitely stealing that quote. Anyways, today I will be making Nutella Souffle. Souffle. This is a very quick and easy dessert to make, and it is so delicious. You guys are gonna love it. Make it for your friends, family, spouse, whoever. I mean, who doesn't like Nutella? So they're gonna love this. And oh, I do have to let you know, souffles usually deflate pretty fast, so you have to serve it right out of the oven. So let's take a look at the ingredients. You are going to need ½ cup of Nutella. I just put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds just to loosen it up. You need 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You need a little bit of cocoa powder just to coat it on the ramekins, and this is optional. You can use powdered sugar and ice cream if you want. This is totally optional. If you don't have it, you don't even need it. So I am spraying the ramekin. You can use butter if you want. It's all over my hand, but that's okay. Now I'm going to put the cocoa powder in here. We're going to coat it around the ramekin. So this is how it's going to look like. Putting the cocoa powder, and we need to coat it on the sides and the bottom. So this looks good. So throw the rest out. Alright guys, so this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. I am going to wipe the sides out. I'm just going to wipe it clean. Okay, that's good enough. Just wipe it clean to separate the egg whites and the yolk. So when you beat the egg whites, start low. The salt. So let's put the Nutella in. So I just took a little bit of the egg whites, just so this won't be that thick as before. We're not folding it yet. This is just to soften it up. Alright. And then now we're going to fold. Underneath, and all we're doing is just folding. Take it from in between as well, from the middle, and fold. Alright guys, my oven is preheated to 375 and I'm going to put it in, leave it in for 18 minutes and we'll check it out. So guys, this is how it looks like and this will deflate pretty fast, so make sure you serve it right away. You can serve it with ice cream. Alright guys, so let me take a bite and show you how good this is. Hot. It just melts in your mouth. It tastes so good. Add some ice cream to it if you guys want. I left my ice cream out, so I'm not able to do that. Alright guys, leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys made this and if you guys like it. Let me know in the comment below and don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys next week.